part 2 of painting. Take this off now because I have to get more paint. Put stuff there. Okay, open this up and get pink. Where's glitter pink over there? Okay. And the glitter pink. Let's pick it up again. Okay, I have done that, but we're done getting that. So now we can make the color again. So remember, we need the glitter paint. I'm only making it a little bit more, then I can make it more, so I'm just going to leave the colors. So sorry I kind of posted it late now, because I have to do something now. I hope this paint doesn't run out because they're so pretty. But I never mixed like 3 pinks together, so I was really happy with the color. So now I want a glittery pink. Make 2 pinks if I want, and I can make 1 pink. And it's getting on my brush all the time now. I'm just gonna start painting since it's already on the brush. And I can and I can get on the page. Okay, I'm done. So these are the results. I'm gonna put this painting there and put that on the floor because it's making a lot of space. Ouch. I already hit it. So I'm going to show you the results really nicely. I want to do it like that first. So these are the results. I don't know which way I want it. This way, this way. I mean this way. I think it's nice this way, so I'm going to have it that way. I want to let it to dry overnight. I can't. Getting ruined. And yay. I'm gonna go wash my hands, so I'm gonna come back really quickly. I'm back. Sorry about the last part. It's just sometimes does that. I might just end the video in a few minutes because I'm kind of sad. But yeah, I kind of want to make a simple dimple, so I might make it. I like doing art now, so